Hello friends, it's me Python Magician again, brought to you an interesting video as tutorial 4. Alright, so let's get started. So let's have a recap of last class. So last tutorial we learned about Python comments, and before that we learned how to download the print statement and if syntax. So this time I'm going to teach you a little bit about Python variables. So Python. Okay, so now x is a variable. Now what is a variable? Basically a variable is anything that has a varying value, like it says in the name, variable. So the value itself is variable, meaning it does not have fixed value. Like x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, print x 4. Okay, so basically the second line of code overrides the first one. X is equal to 34, x is equal to 4, 5, print 4. So yeah, okay. Also this is an integer variable, which means it's a number, and this is a string variable because it has the double quotes. Now x double quote foil and x is equal to single quote foil. It's the same thing. Okay, so print x foil. Okay, so that is yeah, that is a basics of variable. So now, okay, so now Python variables. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to John, print x, print y. X is equal to 4, x is equal to Sally, print x. X is equal to John, x is equal to single quote John is the same. Variable names. You can give any name for a variable, but there are certain names that you cannot give. The legal variable names, you can just write it in one word, two words as one word. With my variable short form var, okay, var. So you can say my var, you can say my underscore var, you can say underscore my underscore var, you can say my big V add, you can say entire thing big, my var 2, you can do all that. Illegal variable names. To my var, you cannot give a number and then as the number as the variable name as a string. You cannot give a hyphen, you cannot give a space. These are illegal and these are legal. These are illegal. Okay? Okay. Then assign value to multiple variables. X, Y, Z is equal to orange, banana, cherry. So print X, print Y, print Z. It will show orange, banana, cherry. X is equal to Y is equal to Z is equal to orange. It will say print, or if you say print X, Y, Z, it will say orange, orange, on. Okay? Okay, X is equal to awesome. Print Python is plus X. You can add two strings. You can add two integers. But you cannot add a string and an integer together. It will give you an error. So for that, there's something called casting. If you want to learn about casting, stay tuned to my channel and watch the coming videos. Anyways, let's get back to topic. You can use a plus character to add a variable to another variable. Python is y is equal to awesome, z is equal to x plus y, print z. Just like that. But now, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10. Print x plus y. Okay. Yeah, it will say, it will give a mathematical operator. But you cannot add a string and a number. Look at this. It will say some error. Type error. Okay. Then there are something called global variables. Okay. So look at this. X is equal to awesome. So now you create a function called my function. Again, I'll teach you functions in the coming classes. Print Python is plus X. So this is a function. Okay, so every time you call the function, this will come. So my function. X is equal to awesome. define my function x is equal to fantastic. Print Python is plus x, call my function, and then say Python is plus x. Okay. The global keyword. So now suppose you have two functions, all right, or either two functions or one function and then normal. Now the letter inside the function will not work on its own outside the function. It will say a name not defined. So if you say print Python is plus x, you need to make it global so that you can use it anywhere in your, even in a 100-line code, you can use it anywhere. X will be fantastic, okay? Global keyword here. So yeah, that's all for this today's tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to tell your friends, subscribe to it and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned to see the next videos and learn more about Python. Bye. Thank you and see you in the next session.